Hi guys, over the years, many people have been asking me how to have the highest return on investment in the shortest period of time. So let me share with you how we can do that. Warren Buffett once said that if a business does well, the stock will eventually follow. I totally agree with him. Let me share with you some examples. This is American Airlines listed in the US stock exchange. The above is business profit and below is the stock price. Can you see that there's a similarities? When business profit increase, stock price increase. And when business profit drops or even making losses, stock price drop as well. And it drop in the same manner. Can you see that? Okay, drop, flat, drop. The stock price as well, drop, flat, drop. Next is Singtel, listed in the Singapore Stock Exchange. It is similar as well. The business profit flat up down, the stock price flat up down, exactly the same. Next is Maybank, listed in the Malaysia Stock Exchange. You can see that the business profit up down up down. After 10 years, the business profit remain the same, flat. Yup. So you can see the stock price exactly the same, up down up down. After 10 years, the stock price remain the same. Of course, every single day, the stock prices goes up and down in the short term. However, in the long term, when we zoom out, the stock price always follows the business performance. And this is what Warren Buffett meant. Right now, we know that we just need to find businesses that have consistent business earnings so that the stock price will grow over time as well. For the stock price to go 10x, the underlying business needs to have the potential to grow 10x as well. The next question is, which business can continue to grow and which business is able to grow much faster? Based on my understanding, for a business to scale, there are only three methods: scale by capital, scale by labor, and scale by codes. For example, you own a laundry business and your earnings in that one store is really good. In order for you to increase your earnings, you can scale your business by renting a new place, buying more laundry machines, and setting up another laundry store. So right now you have 2 laundry stores generating money for you compared to only 1 laundry store. This is an example of scaling using capital. Next, imagine we own a bakery business. We can bake a maximum of 50 cakes a day. Based on this information, we know that our maximum earnings a day will be the amount generated from selling all 50 cakes. And this causes our earnings to have a ceiling. In order to increase our earnings, we have to hire more bakers and employees to increase the earnings of this business. And this is an example of scaling using labor. Next, imagine we own the Amazon platform. Based on the codes, we are able to generate income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We can generate money even when we are sleeping. In order to scale, we can use codes to market this platform to more countries. We can even include the option for viewers to change the language to Japanese, Korean, or Spanish to attract more viewers to the platform and purchase products. This is an example of using codes to scale a business. After knowing that there are 3 methods of scaling a business, which method do you think has the highest potential for a business to scale exponentially? Scale by capital, labor, or codes? Do leave your comment below to share with me your thoughts. Let me share with you these findings. I found out that 32 years ago, the biggest companies based on market value are mostly dominated by businesses that are heavy on physical assets, and the majority of them scale their business through capital or labor. But today, in 2021, the biggest companies are mostly dominated by those that are heavy in digital assets and software, and majority of them scale their businesses using codes. Personally, I believe that scaling by codes is the only way to grow a business exponentially. I guess all of us have heard of YouTubers with only one-man team or a small team able to generate millions of dollars each month. This is because they are scaling their business through codes. With a one-time effort of creating one video, that particular video can potentially reach out to millions of people worldwide, even when the YouTubers are sleeping. And the same video will generate views for the YouTuber for many years. And this is the power of scaling using codes. This is also the reason why I have been adjusting my stock portfolio towards businesses that scale through codes for the past 2 years. Through these findings, we can truly understand that businesses that scale through codes are growing much faster than businesses that scale through labor or capital. Times have changed. Right now, we have a clearer picture of which type of businesses have higher potential to 10x our stock portfolio in the shortest period of time. I hope you benefit from this video. Do subscribe to this channel so that I'm able to share more insights with you and we can profit from the stock market together. Do watch this video right now to discover why Katie Wood is bullish in Chinese stocks. I will see you there.